Hi, this is Bill Polis from Profits Run, and in this video, I'm going to reveal how a 78-year-old man living on a fixed income and in danger of running out of money exploited a 6-day profit window that opens every week in the markets to earn an extra paycheck every Friday and save his retirement by placing an unusual trade. And then I'm going to show you how to copy what he did. So you can use the very same technique to potentially make $200, $500, or even $2,000 or more nearly every single Friday, starting this week. And maybe the best part about this technique, because it's about generating short-term income, this works when the markets are crashing, soaring, or meandering sideways. So this is something I believe you need to be using either as your primary wealth building strategy or in conjunction with your other investing and trading approaches. And before you roll your eyes, please understand that this has nothing to do with getting rich quick. As you're about to see, it's quite the opposite. This is all about using the money you already have to generate a secondary income stream in a safe and conservative way. Also, this is all about having a simple strategy you can count on week after week in the midst of dangerous and unpredictable market conditions. Everybody knows it doesn't make sense anymore to allow a